I should stay strong, but I'm weak, and what's wrong with that?
Welcome peeps, Alice there. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So all you can do is subscribe on the red button below, click the bell, and make sure you're on the notification squad. Just click thumbs up, you like, okay, and share. If you're already subscribed and you're never new here, you know my face. Welcome back, my wonderful peeps. Alright, so this here tutorial will be mostly based on crimped hair. You have to comb your hair and pull it out, and you have a crimped nice hair. So I have different hairdos, hairstyles for that type crimped hair. Alright, so one of the hairstyles I have to mainly do on classic weddings. The others can wear weddings too, you know, but if you want more classic, like go somewhere formal, one of them has to do it. So if you want to know which one, just continue and watch the rest of the video and then enjoy it. Alright, so see you at the end of the video. Bye. Hi, as you can see that my hair is cornering a certain hair style, right? But you can do it in any style you want, and what you mostly need is just hairpins and bobby pins. So let's go. Hairstyle number 1. Don't watch me, it's hot, sweating like a pig there. Alright, so it's very easy. Alright, so as you can see, that it's just the back I've pulled out and using bobby pins to pin the ends around at the back of my head, and that's it.
hairstyle number 2. As you will see at the rest of this part, you don't need me to explain. Just watch it. It's very easy. It's that easy. Hairstyle number 3, final one for today. As you've been waiting for, this is the one that I've been talking about, the one you can wear at weddings. Alright, it can also wear at banquets, somewhere formal, nice, where you can dress up and wear your little high heels and your long dresses or your short dresses, but look very formal. Okay, so in this hairdo, all you need is a scrunchie or your elastic band to catch up your ear and hairpin. That's all you need. That's all. Alright?
again, I hope you enjoy this video. Yeah, it new, it easy for do, it look easy though. Yeah, so I hope I see you next week for my next tutorial next week Tuesday. Alright, come back, me know you like it, just come back. Yeah, Alright, so just click the red button below, subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet, and click thumbs up. Alright, bye.